4 toes, 4 fingers, and of course a tail. I'm Ken Vogel from Madison. I'm here today at the Driftless Historium in Mount Horeb, and we have about 40 puppets that I've made on display. And these are 2 of them. Mount Horeb is known for its trolls, so these are 2 of the trolls that are part of this exhibit. A marionette troll, about 30 of these 40 here are marionettes. I usually operate them with 2 hands, but I have my other hand occupied here. So this is the crossing guard troll. I think crossing guards are wonderful people, and they also have this great symbol that's applicable in many situations. So, open for naming.
Does she talk?
Yes, she does.